This video I'm going to be solving this absolute value inequality. It's open absolute value 1/3 x plus 1 closed absolute value minus 1 is greater than 2. So the first thing I need to do is isolate this absolute value by adding 1 to both sides. Okay, that leaves me with the absolute value of 1/3 x plus 1 closed absolute value is greater than 3. Now that I've isolated the absolute value, I can set up my two inequalities. The first one is just what you see without the absolute value symbol. So 1/3 x plus 1 is greater than 3. Because this is a greater than symbol, I need to remember that it's going to be an or statement. So this is or 1/3 x plus 1 is less than negative 3. So I changed this positive 3 to a negative 3, and I flipped the inequality symbol. So now I solve each one of these independently. So I subtract 1 here, subtract 1 here. I have 1/3 x is greater than 2. Multiply both sides by 3. And I have x is greater than 6. Or, do the same thing over here. Let's work this out real quick. 1/3 x is less than negative 4. Multiply both sides by 3, and I have x is less than negative 12. Okay, so I need to give all the representations of this. Verbally, it would just be x is greater than 6 or x is less than negative 12. With the set builder that we like to use, you'll just need to write it like this. X is less than negative 12, or x is greater than 6. And for our graph, let's see here. We have, I'd put 0 right here, negative 12 right here. If this distance is negative 12, then half of that would be 6. So x is greater than 6. That's all the numbers to the right of 6. And since there's no bar underneath this symbol, it's not greater than or equal to, it's just greater than. It's going to be an open circle at 6 and going this way. And then less than negative 12, that's to the left of negative 12. So the same thing with the arrows going away from each other. Okay, and this should be similar to, let's see here, question 14 on your assignment 1.1. It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty similar.